So this is the demonstration of rotary encoder control DC motor with the help of Arduino. So this is the rotary encoder, this is the DC motor, this is the DC motor driver, this is the Arduino. With the help of this rotary encoder, I can change the direction of motor as well as stop and run the motor, and also I can increase the decrease the speed of motor. So let us see the demo. Right now motor is stopped. So when I press the button, the motor will start. When I press the button, motor will stop, start and stop. And now I can change the direction of motor. Right now it is rotating in this direction. So now let us decrease the speed slowly. Now it will start rotating in other direction. So now I will show you how to change the direction of motor. Right now motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So first speed is 0, and now if I increase the speed, the motor will start in anti-clockwise direction. See, clockwise and again anti-clockwise direction and stop. Again start and increase in speed, decrease in speed. So this speed increase, then decrease, and then finally